Is this you? Or is this you? Either way, you can't do this all night. Until now, the most common way we can stop snoring is by wearing a mandibular advancement device. A mandibular advancement device is a medical term for a mouthpiece that moves our jaw forward. This mouthpiece opens up our airway and the snoring stops. This is what they look like, and all you have to do is have this in your mouth all night long. But who wants to wear something like that? I don't, and I bet you don't either. If you are fed up with snore straps that don't work or uncomfortable mouthpieces that you have to constantly replace, you do have a better choice. It's called the jaw brace. It is comfortable to wear and doesn't wear out. It is a better concept that costs less and does so much more.